In a previous video, we have studied about types of diseases, right? There were two types of diseases, two main types of diseases, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. So what do we mean by communicable diseases? Communicable diseases are those diseases which spread from one person to another. That is, if one person is infected, if he is diseased, that disease can be spread to the another healthy person. Okay, so these diseases are caused by germs. Okay, now these germs can be present in the air, water, soil, and also in infected organisms. Now what do you mean by infected organisms? Infected organisms can be any living thing which is infected with the disease, which already has that disease. Okay, so infected organisms can be any living thing. It can be human being, it can be any animals, insects, anything which is infected with that disease or which has that disease or which is carrying those germs. Okay, so communicable diseases can spread from one person to another. It can spread through air, water, and soil also. Okay, now let us see some communicable diseases. How do they spread? What are their modes? Modes means by what way it spreads, how it spreads. Okay, and also the precautions to avoid contracting communicable diseases. What are the precautions that we can take to avoid such diseases? So look here in the table, the communicable diseases are given, spread of communicable diseases, and precautions to avoid contracting communicable diseases. So first group of communicable diseases have cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and diarrhea. So these are the diseases. Okay, now these diseases spread by eating contaminated food or drinking contaminated water. Now what do we mean by contaminated? Contaminated means which have germs in it. Okay, which are not pure, they are impure, it carries germs. So eating any food or drinking any water which is impure, which is unclean, which has germs, so this can spread the communicable disease. Then second, by touching various objects and then eating without washing our hands. If we touch various objects and we do not wash our hand before eating, this is why we always say that you should wash your hands thoroughly after touching any objects, and also when you are eating you have to wash your hands properly, right? So these are the modes or ways by which cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and diarrhea can be spread. Then what are the precautions that we can take? Simple, by washing hands and using hand sanitizer before eating food. Then by avoiding eating roadside food, we should not eat street food, right? And by drinking boiled water. Okay, so these are some of the precautions that we can take to avoid or to prevent cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and diarrhea. Then the next group, let us see the next group. H1N1, influenza, common cold, tuberculosis. So this is the next group of communicable diseases. Now how do they spread? They spread by breathing air contaminated by an infected person through the act of spitting, coughing, and sneezing. Also releases the germs into the air. So these diseases are caused by breathing the contaminated air. By what do you mean by contaminated air? For example, if a person is infected, okay, if a person already has influenza, common cold, tuberculosis, H1N1, if he is infected with such diseases and he spits, okay, or he coughs or sneezes, so what happens? Those germs are released into the air. Now when these germs are released into the air and we are breathing that contaminated air, will come in contact with the disease and will be infected. Okay, so these diseases, H1N1, influenza, common cold, tuberculosis, such diseases are caused or are spread by breathing the air which is contaminated. Okay, now what we can do to prevent? To prevent or to avoid such diseases, we should cover the mouth while sneezing and coughing. Okay, by covering the mouth while sneezing and coughing, by avoiding spitting on the road and in public spaces or places. Okay, so you should cover your mouth always when you are sneezing and coughing, and you should not spit on the road, especially in the public spaces. Okay, this is the second group. Now let us see the third group of communicable diseases. So this is the third group, malaria and dengue. We all have heard these diseases, right? We all know that these are caused by mosquito. So mosquito carries parasites of malaria and dengue, which when bitten by mosquito enters into the body. If mosquito carries these diseases, these parasites, and if the mosquito bites us, what it does, it leaves these parasites or germs, you can say, inside our blood, and this causes disease. Okay, by now how do we prevent it? By not keeping stagnant water in our surrounding. What do you mean by stagnant water? Stagnant water means the water which is in one place and which is very dirty. Okay, if you see that everywhere, if there's water and you do not clean it and the water remains there for many days, so you'll see many mosquitoes there, right? So you should keep your surroundings clean to avoid mosquitoes. Okay, then next, the last group of communicable diseases, chickenpox, measles and ringworm. Now how these diseases spread? By coming in direct contact with a sick person, or even by touching an infected person's towels, handkerchiefs, etc. So if a person is already infected with chickenpox, he already has measles, ringworm, he's diseased with these diseases, he's infected with these diseases, and when we come in direct contact with the person, that is, we touch the person, we have some physical contact with the person, we touch the infected person, or we, even if we touch the person's towels, handkerchiefs, etc., even then we can get this disease. Okay, now how do we prevent, or what are the precautions? By avoiding direct contact with the infected person. This is the only precaution that we can do. So if we know that a person is infected with chickenpox, measles or ringworm, the best thing to do is to avoid direct contact with that person. So these are some groups of communicable diseases. How do they spread and what are the precautions that we can take?